Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Finding the value of b that makes this function continuous at x equals 2 is actually super fast if you follow these simple official steps. For this function to be continuous at x equals 2, the limit as x approaches 2 must equal the function value at that point, which is defined as the constant b. We need to evaluate the limit of the expression 3 times the quantity x minus 2 divided by the natural log of x minus 1 as x gets closer to 2. Using L'Hopital's rule or substitution, the limit is 3. Thus, b must be 3 for continuity, making option D correct. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid rushing. Trust the given info and check your steps.